How to remove YouTube Shorts on mobile app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the YouTube application. Once you open the application, all you have to do is simply log in or sign in to your YouTube account. So once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And just like so, inside here, tap on the settings like icon. Inside settings, scroll below, then you want to go ahead and tap on playback. And just like so, simply tap on playback and feeds. And then you want to go ahead and simply turn it off. Once it is turned off, head back to your YouTube homepage. And just like so, inside the shorts section, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this three dot. Then tap on not interested. Repeat the same process. Repeating this action can train the algorithm to show fewer shorts. So go ahead and tap on not interested. And after you do that, you want to go ahead and refresh your page. And like that, you will then be able to turn off shorts on YouTube on your mobile app. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.